Major herb defects of the baby's brain or spine occur very early in pregnancy, 3 to 4 weeks after conception. Besides the folic acid supplements, there are foods rich in folic acid, which is essential for both men and women. Here are the 11 foods rich in folic acid that you should eat. Let's get healthy. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. 1. Beef liver. 3 ounces of 7 of cooked beef liver packs 212 micrograms of folate. Loaded with protein. Protein is necessary for tissue repair and reproduction of important enzymes and hormones. Beef liver is one of the concentrated sources of folate you can ever find. Just as human liver, beef liver is an essential organ for the cow and performs important functions such as metabolism, detoxification, and the storage of vitamins and minerals. The more reason the liver is nutrient dense. Among organ meats, animal livers contain the highest protein content and the best amino acid sources, and also a great source of vitamin A and B. Liver have a unique taste which is unfortunately not preferred by many. Some cultures are prohibited not to eat beef liver. Beef liver is nutrient dense and has numerous health benefits besides their vitamin profile. Animal liver such as beef liver is rich in phosphorus, zinc, iron, selenium, and copper. These minerals are good for the body in so many ways. Zinc supports the immune system. Phosphorus aids bone and teeth health. Iron is very essential for proper hemoglobin production. Copper is very vital for energy production. Selenium helps with metabolism. Beef liver is yummy and keeps you for long. Highly recommended for children. 2. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds contains a dose of protein. They are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals your body requires. Eating a high quantity of nuts and seeds can also help you meet your daily folate intake. The amount of folate in various nuts and seeds can vary. Nuts and seeds are rich in protein and keeps you full for long. 3. Spinach. A half cup of cooked spinach contains about 130 micrograms of folic acid, which is more than a quarter of your daily recommendation. There's more folic acid available in cooked spinach than in raw spinach. You can add spinach to your stew, salads, and even a protein shake, or however you prefer it. 4. Banana. Banana are known for their best potassium content. They are high in carbohydrates and easily digestible. Bananas are perfect for pre-workout snacks. A medium banana also contains 24 micrograms of folate. They are high in folate and can help you meet your daily needs when combined with other folate-rich foods. Bananas are rich in other nutrients such as vitamin B6, magnesium, and potassium. Bananas contain a good amount of folate. A medium banana contains about 6% of the DV required. 5. Asparagus. It is believed that asparagus is the powerhouse of folic acid. 4 spears of asparagus contains 8 to 9 micrograms folic acid. You can roast them with salt and pepper, serve as a side dish. You can also chop them and add to your salads. 6. Legumes. Legumes are beans, pies, lentils. The extent of folate in legumes vary. They are a good source of folate. Legumes are a great source of protein, fiber, antioxidants, as well as important micronutrients like potassium, iron, and magnesium. 1 cup 198 grams of cooked lentils contains 358 micrograms of folate, which is 90% of the DV. Whilst 1 cup of 177 grams of cooked kidney beans contains about 33% of the DV. Seven, eggs. Adding eggs to your diet is a great way to boost your intake of several essential nutrients, which includes folate. Adding just few eggs to your diet in a week is an easy way to boost your folate intake and help meet your requirements. Eggs are a great source of selenium, riboflavin, protein, and vitamin B12. Eggs are high in lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that may help reduce the risk of disorders like macular degeneration. 8. Avocado. Avocado is a creamy texture and a butterfly flavor. They are rich in potassium and vitamin K, C, and B6. They are high in monounsaturated fats, which may protect your heart against diseases. Avocado have a unique taste and are the excellent source of many important nutrients such as folate. 1/2 of raw avocado contains 82 micrograms of folate, or about 21% of the amount you need for the entire day. Avocado can be eaten with anything. Papaya. Papaya is a nutrient-dense tropical fruit native to southern Mexico, Central America. It's delicious and full of flavor. Papaya is packed with folate. Papaya is a tropical fruit high in vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants like carotenoids. Pregnant women are advised to avoid eating unripe papaya. It's scientifically proven that eating higher amounts of unripe papaya might cause early contractions. One cup of 140 grams of papaya provides approximately 13% of the DV for folate. Broccoli. Broccoli is known for its multitude of health properties. Including broccoli to your diet can provide an array of essential vitamins and minerals. Cooked broccoli contains more folate. 1/2 cup of broccoli contains 78 grams. Broccoli is high in manganese and vitamin C, K, and A. It contains a wide variety of beneficial plant compounds, including sulforaphane, which has a powerful anti-cancer properties. One cup of 91 grams of raw broccoli contains around 57 micrograms of folate, about 14% of the DV. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes are rich in folate. Not only is it delicious and full of flavor, just one large orange contains 55 micrograms of folate, about 40% of the DV. Citrus fruits are packed with vitamin C, an essential micronutrient that can help boost immunity and prevent diseases. You can make orange, lime, or grapefruit as juice. Studies show that high intake of citrus fruits may be associated with a lower risk of breast cancer, pancreatic and stomach cancer. Thank you so much for watching me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one.